Welcome to the future of industrial production. Welcome to Cubicure. The world moves fast. It's time to catch up. Right in the heart of Europe, we build your interface between the digital and the physical world. With our 3D printing systems, the digital process chain of tomorrow is today's reality. Layer by layer, your polymer parts grow into intricate three-dimensional structures without any mold or tool. You will discover complete freedom of design. Adapt and amend your products anytime at no additional cost. Our hot lithography technology produces components that are indistinguishable from injection molded parts. Using high viscosity resins, we achieve the superior material standards you need for your business. This is outstanding strength, endurance, and heat resistance. Our experts ensure that whichever application you could imagine, we'll have it covered. The result: 3D printed polymer parts ready for action, without compromise. Cubicure. Turn your ideas into productive reality.